Hello, I am here to assist you on your journey from your child's in-person learning to the Edgenuity Virtual Learning Academy. Your first step is to contact the appropriate school for your child listed on the screen. Plus, make sure the school has your current contact information, name, address, phone number, and your current email address. Next, you will receive an email from Dr. Michael Keller. He will send you a PDF file with your login information, plus the link you will use for the family portal. Your email address is your username, and for the first time, your login will need an access code. Then it will prompt you to change your password. Now you can see your home page. Your students are listed at the top along with their corresponding schools. The two most important reports on this page you should notice are the attendance log and the progress report. The attendance log is used to view active time, dates, and activities in each subject that your student has completed. If you notice idle time is time that the student is idle or not participating in active learning. The progress reports show current courses, dates, course completed percents, target completion, and grades. This also shows activities the student has taken and the weight of that activity. On to the profile page. Your profile page provides your name, email address, plus an opportunity to change your password. Please keep that in a safe place. It also shows your children or students' accounts linked to you. If you have any other questions, concerns, please contact your student's virtual teacher. I hope this video has helped you navigate your student's Edgenuity world. Thank you, and please like and subscribe.